So this is the laser head, and at the bottom there's a link for the focal distance is 63.5. Okay, you can just okay, you need to take this out, and this is the length of focal distance is 63.5. Okay, another way is 好，放在上面的。Another way is put the length of focal distance is 100. It's at the top. It's at the top. And then you need to put those little ones. Yes, 选进去。Yeah, this is another way of fix the lens. 你不用选了，把这个放进。好了，可以。然后看一个整体。So this is the two different ways of fix the two different lenses.